looks like we have I forgot what this is. A regular car. So we're playing so guys, we're playing police car cockpit or something like that. So yeah. 1,600, can we buy other? And oh wait, we can buy it? Nah, probably. Yeah, I think yeah. I think we could buy this car. Yeah. I think we could buy this car. Oh yes, we Which one looks better? I think it looks better. Alright, let's go! Alright, it's launching. Alright, look at this. Stolen couple file. Alright, let's accept. Go. Come on, get over here. Get over here. I feel like Scorpion. Go. God. He was going left. What the? Oh yes. At least he crashed. But hey, he did some damage to that other person's car. Come on. Come on. Oh yes, I think we did it. Alright, let's go. And let's go. Right. East. Alright, let's see if we can do one more thing. Wait, there is a car accident. 2 vehicles damaged. Except. Come on, let's go quick. Come on, go! Come on, quick. Damn it, where's this taking us to? Come on. Yep, it's right there. Come on, hurry. Come on. Alright, so that's the end. Oh god. That's the end of today's video, guys. Bye.